Hello student, now the last topic of geometrical isomerism. Okay, now there is a topic is finding number of GI and the analysis of geometrical isomerism and formula and question. Okay, now you know very well this is very easy example. Both side of Cl group, both side of similar group is there. This is what cis and the diagonal form is there, that is trans. So you know very well cis is more reactive and trans is more stable. So you know stability is inversely proportional to reactivity. Okay, clear? Suppose you have this structure and the question is how many isomers are possible. So you know trans is more stable, so there is no isomer. Suppose this structure is there in your question paper. So how many structure is there? There is a cis, it means this is a cis, and the one structure is also there, that is called trans. Okay, now this is a very easy example. Now we are discussing about the for polyene there is a maximum number of double bond. It means more than one double bond is there, it means the compound is polyene. So now there is a simple trick to find ki how many geometrical isomerism are possible in this structure. Okay, so just you check first ki there is a structure. देखो, in this case there's a two double bond is there, this is polyene. And now in the case of both side of hydrogen and both side of similar group is there na, and now there is a bromine and there is a chlorine. So now in the case of one double bond is there and one double bond is there. So now just check ki this carbon and this carbon, and then after this carbon to this carbon. Okay, so now there is a very easy trick. Just you learn, first you check कि this compound is symmetrical or not. So this is not symmetrical because of just you cut on that carbon. यहाँ से cut करो, just you cut and check both side of group. तो in this case अगर यहाँ से मैं cut करूँ, तो now in this case the compound on left hand side there's CH, C and HBr. There is a CH, C, H, Cl. It means there is no symmetrical. One Br and one Cl. So there is a different, na? It means this is what? Unsymmetrical compound. So now there is a two formula to find how many isomers in unsymmetrical compound and symmetrical compound. So now there is a formula. Unsymmetrical compound, it means Gi is equals to 2 की power n. N is what? Number of stereo center. So first you check how many stereo center is there. So now there is an example. Suppose you have this example, H single bond C single bond Br, okay, double bond CH single bond CH double bond C, and that side is H and this side is Cl. Okay, now first you consider कि how many stereo center is there, because first you check if this is symmetrical or not. Just you cut and check both side of group. There is a Br, there is a Cl. It means this compound is unsymmetrical. Unsymmetrical. Clear? This is unsymmetrical. 100% clear na? Okay. Now, so first you check कि how many stereo center is there. So how to check is stereo center? So just you check. First you check on this carbon double bond. So now there is a carbon double bond. One side is H and one side is Cl. Okay. Now in this case one side is H and one side is whole group. तो यहाँ पे मैं this is group. Okay, whole group. So you know both side of hydrogen is there, and it means this is cis, and again the formation of trans na. So there is a cis and trans possible, cis and trans on that carbon double bond. Yeah, on that carbon double bond. It means one stereo center. It is denoted by a strict sign. Okay, clear? Same as on this carbon. Suppose you check this carbon double bond. So now there is a carbon double bond. One side is H, one side is Br, and same for this carbon, one side is H and one side is whole group. So again there is a cis and trans possible. Cis and trans possible. It means what? Cis and trans is there. Definitely cis and trans is there, na? So what? There is a one stereo center, and again there is a one stereo center. So it means the stereo center, this is denoted by small n. Yeah, so now n is what? There is a two stereo center. There is a possible of cis and trans and cis and trans. So now there is a unsymmetrical. So you know how many geometrical isomerism was possible. So you know there is a two structure. There is a 1 and 2, 1 and 2. It means there is a 4 geometrical isomerism, na? So there is a short trick to find how many geometrical isomerism. So just geometrical isomerism for unsymmetrical polyene. For unsymmetrical, yeah, unsymmetrical polyene. Okay, so now there is a formula, is very easy formula, 2 की power n. N is what? Stereo center. So now there is a 2 की power 2. It means what? There is a 4 geometrical isomerism. It's very, there is a 1 2 1 2. It means 4. Clear? 100% clear? Okay. Okay. Now one example for symmetrical. So I have a symmetrical example. Just you check. There's a again C double bond CH. One side is H, one side is Cl, and again there's a single bond CH, double bond C. One side is H and one side is Cl. So first you check if this is symmetrical or unsymmetrical. So देखो, just you cut on that carbon. So that group is equal to that group. Okay, now there is a CH, CHCl, CH, CHCl. So this is what? Symmetrical. It's very easy example. And now check how many geometrical isomerism is there. Again check on that carbon double bond. So now there is a carbon double bond. One side is H and one side is Cl. And again this carbon, one side is H and one side is whole group. Yeah, whole group. So both side of H, yeah, symmetrical hydrogen is there. So it means cis and trans possible. Cis and trans possible. Yeah. And again this is one stereo center. And again now this is also, just check on that carbon double bond. One side is H and one side is Cl. Yeah. Now one side is H and one side is whole group. Again cis and trans possible. Cis and trans possible. So you know this is one stereo center and this is second stereo center. So how many stereo centers there? Stereo center is 2. It means n is equals to 2. So now the formula of stereo center for symmetrical polyene. So for Gi for symmetrical polyene. Yeah, symmetrical. So now the formula is 2 की power n minus 1 plus 2 की power p minus 1. And you know stereo center, and what is a p? P is equals to n by 2 for even, and p is equals to n plus 1 by 2 for odd. N is what? There's a 2, na? N is what? Even or odd? Even, definitely. So now you apply this formula. So now there is a 2 की power n minus 1. So Gi for what? N is what? 2. So 2 की power 2 minus 1 plus 2 की power 2 minus 1. Okay, so 2 की power 2 minus 1 is what? 2 की power 2 minus 1, 2 की power 1, and 2 की power 1 minus 0. Sorry, 1. So 2 की power 1 यानी 2 की power 1 is what? There is a 4. Clear? So now just check. This compound showed cis and trans. This compound showed cis and trans. So cis and trans 2 cis and trans 2. It means what? 4 geometrical isomerism. Clear? 100% clear? Okay, clear, student? Okay, just wait. Now P is what? 2 की power, this is wrong. Just check again. P is what? N की power, n by 2 ना, तो n is what? 2, तो 2, P is what? 2 divided by 2 is 1. It means what? तो GI 2 की power 2 minus 1 and 2 की power 1 minus 1. It means what? 2 की power 1 and 2 की power 0. So you know 2 की power 1 is 2 and 2 की power 0 is 1. It means 3 geometrical isomerism. Clear? This is only for the learning. This is not. It is not important to find how many structure is there. So just you practice ki how many geometrical isomerism are possible on this structure. Not possible. This is not important ki you write this structure, you draw the structure. So this is not important. Just you learn, just you practice ki how many geometrical isomerism are possible on that compound. Okay, clear? This is not 4. This is 3. Okay, clear? Clear 100%? Now again, I have lots of example. So now just check. This is again. First you consider this is symmetrical or unsymmetrical. Now, in this case, just cut on that double bond. CH, 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 CH3. CS, 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 CS3. It means how many stereo center? So just you check hydrogen, hydrogen on same side. This is 1. Hydrogen, hydrogen same side and whole group is there. This is 2. Hydrogen, hydrogen same side and CS3 and whole group is same. It means you know very well this is a 3 stereo center and this is symmetrical. So now n is 3. It means this is a odd number. The odd number it means P is n plus 1 by 2. So 3 plus 1 by n is 2. To 2 की power n is what? 3 minus 1 in 2 की power 2 and 2 की power 1. It means 6. Clear? Okay, clear 100% ना? देखो 1 for cis and trans for this, cis and trans for this, cis and trans for this. It means total 6 structure. Again this compound, this is symmetrical or unsymmetrical. You know very well there is a Cl, there is a CS3. It means unsymmetrical. So how to check कि there is a how many stereo centers there? So now just first check is this carbon-carbon double bond. So one side hydrogen, one side hydrogen. Clear? One side hydrogen, one side hydrogen, one side hydrogen, one side hydrogen. It means stereo center 3. This is unsymmetrical. So 2 की power n, 2 की power 3 and in total 8 isomers is there. Clear 100%? Now again you check if this compound is symmetrical or unsymmetrical. देखो, just you cut on that carbon, carbon-carbon double bond. This side Cl, this side is Br. You know very well this is unsymmetrical. Again you check. This is carbon-carbon double bond. तो one hydrogen, है ना? तो 1, 2, 3 stereo center. तो stereo center is 3 unsymmetrical यानी 8 isomers. This is symmetrical. देखो, this is symmetrical. तो n is what? This is odd number. तो n plus 1 by 2. It means 2. So GI, the formula of symmetrical compound, GI is 2 की power n minus 1 and 2 की power P is what? P is for stereo center ना? तो P is n plus 1 by 2. तो n is what? 3. So this is odd number. तो अगर suppose you have even number तो n by 2 and odd number n plus 1 by 2. Just check. N for even n by 2 and n for odd n plus 1 by 2. Clear? So now the total 6. Same as for this, and this carbon does not show because both side of hydrogen. So that compound does not show geometrical. So only 2 stereo center and both side of similar group. Just cut on that carbon. So this is a perfect symmetrical. So symmetrical again there is a 3 isomer. Clear? Same for this. Just check this is unsymmetrical. Clear? So now this compound there is a CS2. That compound does not show GI na. So only for this, and this is also CS2 group. So there 4 structure. Now it's very important. This is a alene. If a consecutive double bond is there, carbon के double bond के बाद तुरंत अगर double bond है, this is called consecutive. तो you know very well in my last video there is a xy plane, there is a yz plane. तो if two double bond consecutive double bond is there, it means no GI. तो यहाँ पर तो possible नहीं है. But again देखो, now C single bond CH again double bond. तो now there is no double bond ना. तो now this carbon double bond should definitely geometrical. देखो one side hydrogen, and one side whole group and one side Br. So this is what definitely this compound shows stereo center. देखो one stereo center and this is unsymmetrical. So there's a two geometrical isomerism. Okay, now you know in my last video there's a even number of double bond. There's a odd number of double bond. So you know very well this is XY, YZ and XY. तो just you check कि suppose you have XY and YZ. अगर XY और उसके बाद YZ में दिखता है तो that is no GI. And XY plane is there. It means definitely one GI is there. So this is one stereo center. देखो one side hydrogen, one side Cl and one side whole group. So this is one stereo center and again this carbon also show one hydrogen, one Cl and one whole group. This is second stereo center. Clear? तो देखो even number of double bond consecutive. Even number of double bond consecutive, it means no GI. Odd number of double bond consecutive, it means definitely GI. So now two stereo center, it means unsymmetrical compound is there. This is unsymmetrical. So this is 4 geometrical isomerism. Clear? 4. Clear? Now you know again this is, you know very well one double bond is, it means one ring. So it behave as a alene group. देखो, so there is a one double bond, same as one double bond is it means one ring. So one double bond, you know very well this is XY and this is YZ plane. So same as Spiro compound. Just you consider कि one double bond it means one cyclic structure. So one double bond is one cyclic structure. So two double bond, this is also consecutive. So this is Spiro 1 and this is XY, this is YZ. So same XY YZ देखो, same XY YZ. Yeah, clear? The XY YZ, so it means there is a even number of cyclic structure. It means no GI on this Spiro group, and this carbon show definitely one hydrogen, one group, whole group, and one CH3. This is unsymmetrical. It means the GI is 2 की power n. It means 2. So you know very well again 3 cyclic structure. So same XY plane is there. So odd number of double bond या odd number of cyclic structure, it means definitely show this compound, this cyclic structure show one stereo center. तो ये पूरा stereo center 1 and that is 1 and that is 1. देखो 1 CH and 1 CH3 and one whole group and CH and whole group and CH3. So this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So this is symmetrical. You know symmetrical, just cut. देखो both side of same group, so it means 6. Clear? Easy, very easy. Okay. Now again, there's again example. So just this is your homework. Okay. Now the question number 14. Just you check. In the case, this is one stereo center. Okay. And you know this is sp3 hybridization. sp3 is very important. So one side is whole group. Yeah. Cyclic structure. तो one ring is also stereo center. तो देखो this is one. देखो one side hydrogen, one side CH3 and one side whole group. And this carbon, देखो this carbon to this carbon. One side is CH3. Yeah, one side is CH3, one side is whole group, one side is this group, and one side is. So this is not a cis and trans. This is a EZ. E or Z stereo center. So this is again geometrical isomerism. It means 2 stereo center. This is unsymmetrical. It means 4. Same for this. Take one stereo center. And this is sp2. You know very well sp2. No shifting, no restricted. Double bond is there. So sp2 does not show. Yeah. In the ring, double bond is there. Definitely sp2 hybridization is there. So this means no geometrical isomerism. You know this is double bond, restricted double bond is there. So only one stereo center is there. So this is unsymmetrical, again 2. Same for this. So 2 stereo center. This is 2 and this is sp3 hybridization. So again this is stereo center. So 1, 2 and 3. Clear. तो no number of GI of 1 2 3 trichloropropane. तो 1 2 3 trichloro, this is 1 2 3 trichloro. तो just you check, you know very well कि 1 for wedge and 1 for dash. तो देखो this is a wedge, all chlorine on front side and hydrogen on back side. तो same position, देखो chlorine on same position, wedge it means cis, wedge it means cis, wedge it means cis. अब देखो this is a wedge, there is a Cl, okay. तो देखो this is wedge and this is dash. तो wedge and dash it means trans, dash and wedge this is trans, wedge it means cis. And now again देखो dash it means cis, dash wedge it means trans, and wedge and dash it means trans. तो देखो in this case you consider from that side, so there's a trans cis and there's cis trans. So only 3 geometrical isomerism. Now again the next structure, Cl 3's are 3 Cl are in dashed line. So this is also cis. So one cis and again this is cis. So only 3 geometrical isomerism, because already cis is there. It means this compound does not show geometrical isomerism. Clear? Now again this is your homework, number of GI of 1 2 3 4 tetrachlorocyclobutane. Already in my notes, just check my notes. Okay, so there's a 4 geometrical isomerism. Clear? So now this is the last question of geometrical isomerism, and my next video the topic is in my next video I'll explain optical isomerism. Okay, clear all of you? Okay.